Good job, Raphael. He's a good worker, eh? You got to admit. When it comes to work, he likes doing it. Jane's the other way around. Jane, you gotta push him. This guy, you don't have to ask, he'll do it. Okay. I always tell everybody that my dad, Dominic, and Ante, and Jaden are the laziest chupacabras. I told one of my cousins that in Croatia. He said, "Don't worry, I won't be like that." Raphael, is the other laundry ready? Over there. Those are my other ones, Raphael. Are they ready? This one's mine. This one's Daddy's. And that one's Daddy's. So bring a basket for Daddy's. When it's ready, we can get it. Not yet, not yet. Not yet. No, don't do that. What? Show Daddy where's the TV. Show the video camera which way TV. Which way's TV? I thought it's that way. Raphael, it stopped. Let's go get it.